Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from New Balance. This is a new shoes. So this pair of New Balance sneaker isn't on YouTube much. I believe this is kind of not a new model, but they took it back from 60s, 70s, and I think they are pushing this model this year or maybe even next year. So I'm just glad to able to try it. So this is the box of this pair of sneakers. You can see on top of the box has this flower graphic on it. It's a little unusual for New Balance shoes. The reason for that because this is supposed to be a pair of collaboration sneakers with Donald Glover. Not sure if you are familiar with Donald Glover. He's an amazing artist, like good actor, rapper, musician. So you can go check out his work if you want to know more about his background. Let's take a look at this pair of sneakers for now. I have to say the box is kind of miniature, like smaller than most of my New Balance shoe box. Open it up. Look at the color. Isn't this stunning? I'm speechless. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I'm not into bright colors. But recently, I'm really drawn to these bright color sneakers. I think they're just kind of a nice pop of color when you're trying to style your outfit. It's really a good addition if you want to dress up or even you want to have a casual day out with your date. Look at the bottom of this outsole. It has this rib design. Supposedly, I heard the concept is when you step on it, it kind of press down, and then when you walk, it's supposed to propel your movement better. I'm not sure that if it really works as what other people say, but we'll see. But it's a really cool design, I have to say. Even from the side, you can still see the kind of ripple effect that around it. Let's look closer on the suede. This suede leather that they use seems to be a little bit higher quality. The grain is a little bit taller, not the one that shaved really close and really flat. I like that kind of, it adds a little bit of texture to your shoes and your outfit. I believe this part is polyester material. Not sure how breathable this is, so not sure if it's good for summer days. In Pennsylvania, it doesn't get that hot, so I'm sure I could still wear this. But if you live in Texas, may not be a good time. Maybe wait till in fall or autumn to wear this pair of sneakers. So this pair of sneakers come with these white shoelaces, and it also provides a backup golden yellow one to match the color of the shoes. This is really nice. I think I may like this one better. If you want color, why not just go all the way, right? Inside of it, it also has this bright yellow color. So I want to show you the shoe tongue. It's a very unusual design. It's kind of like a layer of foam that's sewed together with the polyester top layer, but underneath it is kind of a soft foam layer that's sewed onto it. It's really interesting. I have to try it on to see if it's actually comfortable. So putting on this pair of sneakers is rather easy. It feels comfortable. It's not as wide as other like 993 or other New Balance sneakers. It's more slim. The shape itself is more slim. It's more narrow. So I think it gives you kind of a more slick and more dressed up look. The back of it. I really love this kind of retro design, and I think the color they choose is really perfect. If you like me, like to dress up in a neutral tone outfit, this would be a nice pop of color to add. It feels quite comfortable, very lightweight. Definitely happy with this purchase. So if you are interested in this RC30, the Donald Glover collaboration sneakers, you should check out their website. Thanks for joining me today for this sneakers unboxing. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.